Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making roasted butternut squash and cauliflower. Okay guys, so I have some butternut squash and cauliflower in here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to roast these vegetables in my cast iron skillet in the oven. But what I did was that I had put my cast iron skillet on my stove to heat up. I am going to add some ghee to this, some salt and some garlic, Mrs. Dash garlic and herb blend to this. And then I'm going to add it to my hot skillet. And then I'm going to add that skillet to the oven so that the butternut squash and the cauliflower can roast in the oven. So I'm adding the ghee here. Okay. Alright, so now let me add some salt to this. I'm adding pink salt. Right. And I'm also going to add the Mrs. Dash garlic and herb blend to it as well. Just kind of mix it together. I'm also going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning herb blend. Alright, so I'm going to add this now to my hot skillet, which is on the stove, and then I'm going to put this into the oven. I'm going to allow this to roast. So, okay, so I have to apologize. That part of the footage where I had put it into the cast iron skillet, the exposure was blown out. But, so I've now put it in here. And now I'm going to put this into the oven so that it can roast and get all nice and golden brown and roasted for dinner tonight.